My name is Joshua Semple, Heavy Vehicle Lecturer at Southwest College in Noma. I'm here this morning at Dennisons, Ballyclare, main Volvo agent for Northern Ireland. My early experience of coming to Dennisons was when I came here approximately 2 years ago and was looking around the showroom to purchase a truck for the college, and I was welcomed by all members of staff here at Dennisons, and this really led to my coming here for the Lectures to Industry programme. The benefits with the Lectures to Industry programme now with the live technology on the vehicle is where we can bring that into the classroom and show the live data to the students to see the live faults that's currently on the vehicle. This has changed from previous years where we were just guessing and road testing the vehicle. Now we can actually look at it in the live environment in the classroom without going out onto the road.
Hello there, my name's Alan McConnell. I am the training manager for Denison Commercials in Ballyclare. Well, to be fair, I'm the training manager for the whole group. I'm also listed as a Volvo technical trainer, so I go to Sweden and France for training courses to update my product knowledge. The benefits of the Lectures into Industry programme for Dennisons is that we are delivering the latest level training for lecturers in the college because we have such a close tie with it, and that benefits our students whenever they go to the college because they're being trained on the latest level product. We have looked at all the colleges in Northern Ireland and we have made the decision now that we want to send Dennisons apprentices to Southwest College. Partially that's because of the tie-up between Joshua and myself, and partially because we found that the equipment in the college was one of the best of all of the colleges we looked at in Northern Ireland.
I would recommend this programme to any lecturer, part-time, associate or full-time, to take part in the programme because it's really beneficial to upskill yourself to the modern world, and really then we can deliver it to the students.